morning guys, welcome back to the channel. My apologies for missing a weekly vlog. I've been really staying consistent with that, with like the Thanksgiving holiday, and I was working a lot too, and I was just like super tired. I'm making some greens right now. This one has probiotics because on Thanksgiving I had mac and cheese. I was like, oh, let me just eat a little bit of mac and cheese. And I was fine, I felt fine. And then Friday, when I had some Thanksgiving leftovers, I was like, let me get a little bit more mac and cheese. I was tore up. I found like a little bit of greens in my pantry from First Form. They sent it to me months ago when I like tried out their products, but I found a little bit in there and I was like, let me take these because they had probiotics in them and just see if that helps with my digestion, because I was super bloated and it helped. So I went to the nutrition store, the same place that I get my protein powder, raspberry pomegranate flavor. It kind of tastes like raspberry iced tea. My water's not cold, but so I'm gonna finish that, but I'm also gonna work out as well. I have a new pre-workout. I'm not committed to any pre-workout. If it's on sale, this is the same brand, Roll One, as the protein powder that I take for 30 bucks versus 40, 45. No, they're not needed, but I want them, but I'm gonna catch them on sale. I wanna go in the garage and vacuum. It's so dusty out there. I think I'm just gonna sip this and clean the garage.
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, taste the layers. Add it up, plus sign, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the bill later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up too much, cause I'm a fashion dealer. I'm your biggest bidder, meet me in the middle. I just don't wanna settle under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the
So I went in the gas station just now and I was like, hey, how are you doing? And he's like, oh, I'm doing good, just trying to make it. I said, listen, I feel it. Cause like at the end of the day, that's all we're trying to do. We're all just trying to make it. We all trying to do our best. So I feel it, I feel it. Do you guys remember this song? Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Look. I pity that step to me though. Flow too clean, I'm bite by new tuxedos. Been this shit since now later popping and buying hot Cheetos. The free throw, easy. Please believe me, baby. Bought a Tesla, bought a Rolex watch, and I ain't dreaming, baby. Scheming, maybe. Dina raised me. Really from the section with them killers, drug dealers, thug. Never got a help from pops, they need some love. Liquor messing, not the pain, so pull up, nigga. Not too far from it. Everything I done seen and done it. Late night running, hitting houses and police cuffing. We ain't have nothing. House was cold, we were open oven.
And flip, but we're starting from the top. So it should feel a little bit harder to not flare the ribs and just really really think about that belly staying pulled in, and then as you exhale, you squeeze those deep internal muscles and inner thighs together. But otherwise, lift those knees up. You got 30 seconds total. We're in it. Upper back is flattened out. I'm not.
Jump rope is here. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I thought it wasn't gonna come till much later. Stop. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at that. It's a wrap. I had been eyeing this jump rope forever. Since I started jump roping. And I finally decided I'm just gonna continue to invest in my health and just get something that I really want. Bag, cute. This one is the lighter one, and then this one is the more thicker, more heavier one. And I cannot get over, I can't get over the hardware. Click in, click in, so let's see. That's it. That's freaking it. You just click it in. Oh, it's over. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. It's my lunchtime. I have about 20 minutes, but I'm gonna say like 15. I feel, I don't know what it is with me today. Like, I'm gonna do a 15-minute jump. I need this strictly for a mood boost. I have a kiwi guava Celsius. I got my water, and I'm just gonna go for 15 minutes for a mood boost workout because, girl, today is a struggle, okay? Like, I am so gassed right now. What is really going on? Oh my god. I've been doing it for 8 minutes and I'm freaking gassed. Like, what the heck?
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, and I wanna be
15 minutes mood boost jump is done. I feel really good. This way to jump rope is a whole completely like different feel, but I love it. It's so good. I have to jump on a mat because I don't want this rope to get messed up from the concrete. Here is tonight's jump. Here was the jump on lunch. My forearms are sore, so sore. Jump roping, highly recommend for just an amazing full body workout. Today was a long day. It was draining. I feel like I don't want to say that every time, but like in real life, some days are just draining by the end of the day, but I love just coming out here for that quiet time, that alone time, just to like work on me. Yeah, it's for fat loss, but it is for my mental health. I'm just grateful for this lifestyle. It's taken a long time to get to this mindset, to get to this point, but I'm just so grateful. And I know around this time, the holiday season, like it's a struggle to stay on top of your game because you have so many obligations and so many things like that, but make sure you take some time out for yourself. I just don't want y'all to forget about yourself during this time. Like lunchtime, I needed to exercise just to boost my mood. So it's not always weight loss, fat loss focus. It is to help us, okay? It is to help us mentally to feel better. So once again, friend, continue to show up, keep going, keep pushing, and we got this. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.